Hey friends, it's Coach Tammy. I wanted to show you how to take a winter mantle. It's more of Christmassy. There's some gold up there. I could have had some gold ornaments up there or some clear ornaments. You could pop some red ornaments in there. Just pretend that that was super Christmassy. And now I'm transitioning it to winter. So that's the winter garland, the mantle garland. And now I'm going to show you how I'm going to very quickly just take some pieces around the house, any lantern you can find. Notice this one was from the clearance section of Halloween at the Dollar Tree, Dollar General. I'm just going to pull that off there. So we're just going to take it, and I'm going to use this as a pillar to set it on, like a base. All right. So up there are a lot of silvers, some gold rub on the mantle magnolia leaves. So I have this Christmas pick that I need to transition into more winter. Now these little red guys are fantastic. I'm not going to throw those away. I'm keeping these. I love those. So there is a little bit of green. I normally would not leave that on there. It's just too much of a vibrant, almost like a monster green. It's like a lime green. I don't really want to leave it, but we're not throwing them away. I do like those. Okay, so this paper has really kind of chewed its way through. Now, there are some red berries up there. I am leaving this. Now this looks much more neutral, right? All I'm going to do is I'm going to layer, actually, I'm going to layer that behind it. And I don't know that I'm going to keep all of it. I'm taking away the side parts. I just didn't want all of that, okay? Did not want all of it, but I did want this. Okay? Right here, just like this. Now, for me to get some more of that down there, watch what I do. I take this pine and I pull it down. We're going to play a little optical illusion. And we could have left that on and pulled it down. I didn't want that down there, though. Now, I do have this pine cone that matches the garland up there, but I think it's too much for what we're doing with this, okay? And I'm going to show you why. I found this little beaded garland at the Hobby Lobby. Now we are going to pull off some of this. Because some of these are metal, I really need to reinforce it with some zip ties. Okay? It's going to be hidden by a bow anyway, so I'm really not opposed to doing that. Okay? This is going to be the top portion of the lantern, and this is going to be the bottom. All right? The reason I'm doing the bottom as less is the bow is going to cover most of that. Okay? So let's make the bow. It's not going to be ginormous. Fold it like a taco, cut it towards the sunshine. I am leaving these streamers at least 13 inches long. 15. Pinch, twist, loop. I'm doing smaller loops, but they're going to be longer. Like they're smaller, but they're more flat. Okay. Now something I like to do with lantern bows is I like to do extra tails. I just think it looks so pretty. Okay. Just like that. You can make something into anything with a good bow and a cheap lantern. Does not have to be a fancy lantern. Now, if I had a big fireplace, that would be different. I have one inside, but my mantle is very skinny inside, and the TV comes out, which is why I chose to bring this one home, because I was like, there's no way we're going to be able to do that. Let's fold it like a taco, cut it towards the sunshine. Get these some really pretty texture and some depth with the, just like that. All right. And now what I'm going to do is just come down here and I'm going to zip tie this on. Now, I did not want this to be so gaudy you couldn't see it, which is why I did what I did. Now, this loop is pretty doggone little, but I'm just going to come in here with another zipper tie, and I'm just going to attach it straight to the ring because that it doesn't matter. It's not going to be on a coffee table or anything like that. Put the buckle down. Now, something I like to do when I do these, normally my buckle is bigger. I'm hoping because this is metal, there it goes. Or not metal and it's plastic, that it's going to let me do this. There it goes. So, all I'm doing is creating a super simple transition from Christmas to winter super quickly, super easily. Now, the other thing I would do is I have this little piece of garland right there. Now, what I am going to do is I'm going to come in over one of the pieces of ribbon, and I'm kind of going to give it just a little scarf. Just something super fun to mix those neutrals right up in there. Now, make sure all of your bows are tied the right way. The reason I did that is I wanted to tie that natural color to that gold to make it mix in there. Now, how fun is that? How absolute fun is that? Such a pretty piece just to add to a mantle. Super fun.